Adam with Vital Garden Supply here again. Today I'm here to talk to you about a new thing we've added to our arsenal here. It's our own cover crop blend. So this cover crop blend has been formulated and focused towards bringing high amounts of nitrogen and producing a mulch, or otherwise known as a green manure, for your garden beds, specifically to those farmers who don't continue to have crops growing in their beds over the winter time. This product right here contains equal portions of field pea, oats, and a blend that is wheat and rye. So it's gonna produce very nice structure for your soil with the grasses in there, and the oats are going to help move things like, say, existing phosphorus that's actually in the soil. The field peas will help absorb nitrogen from the atmosphere and bring it to the soil and make it more available for your garden when you do have it growing in the spring. This product is pretty straightforward in how it works. This is an all organic supply, so all the material in here is certified organic. If you take a look at our little experimenting garden here, we have a bunch of peppers we're finishing out, and I've had, you know, all kinds of different beneficial weeds and clovers and things that have just been living with the garden throughout the year, and I like to do that normally. This blend you could do that with. So in your big beds that are overwintering, you can remove about 3/4 of this material from the garden beds, re-amend your beds, and put down about 1/4 of the material you take out. You don't want to cut it all down and just put it all back down onto the garden. This is a mistake that a lot of people tend to make, and that kind of puts you past a mulch and makes a thatch in your garden. So we do recommend taking quite a bit out, and this is a good thing because you're creating your own compost. This is a perfect product to make your own compost on your property. Instead of putting straw down all over your garden for mulch in the spring and summer, you can easily grow your own. Very nice product, very easy to use, really straightforward, not complicated. And we're very happy to give this to our customers and have this be part of our way of doing things. So in the spring, when it comes, look into Soil Builder. You'll have your cover crop going throughout the winter. You'll take out 3/4 of the material, put it into your compost pile, amend with Soil Builder, put your mulch back down. I tend to actually like to have a few of the peas growing with my plants. So this can also be known as what we call a living cover crop as well. Vital Cover Crop, check it out, vitalgardensupply.com. This is Adam, and I hope you have a beautiful day.